smells like
ready for a miracle. I'll chill until the
welcome back to my channel. My name is Energy. I am so glad that you've made it. If you have not yet, please subscribe. I am so excited today. We are doing a headband wig. Unice. So I ordered this off of Amazon. So as you can see right now, I have the big dookie braids. Okay, I have them going back. All right, so we're gonna get this open. I'm so excited, Unice. Yes! This is what it looks like when you open it. Yes! It comes with this little head skirt. I also ordered more because I didn't know if they were gonna have any. And a wig cap. And excuse my appearance right now, I know I look crazy, but we're about to get it all together, okay? We're about to get it all together. So I believe this is an 18-inch deep weave. I believe it's an 18-inch deep weave. I forget what I ordered. It actually, I believe it's an 18-inch body wave or water wave or deep wave. I'm not exactly sure.
How do you not know what you ordered?
I know. I be forgetting. I be ordering a lot of stuff and I be forgetting, okay? I'm sorry. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Straight out. Ooh. It smells like, if you ever order from a hair vendor, this is what this smells like. It smells like it's been shampooed, washed. This is the hair vendor's smell. I can tell that. It feels amazing. This is a hair vendor smell, not the corn chip smell. This is hair vendor smell. Let's get that together. We have to know the difference, okay? I had hair of my own. I've ordered from vendors. I've done it all. This isn't that, okay? This is nice. I like it. So it did come with this, another headband wrap in the middle, which is pretty cute. And this is what it looks like coming straight out. I'm so excited to try this. You'll see 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. The head adjuster, and then the Velcro headband piece to keep that baby nice and secure. But so I have the wig cap on, so I'm gonna try to see what it looks like without baby hairs, and then I'm going to do it with baby hairs if I can. But please don't judge my baby hairs. Y'all already know I can do it, okay? All right, so we're gonna put it on, all right? So as you can see, it's on. I really like it. I really do. Of course, I'm going to wet it and put mousse on. I don't have that much hair showing. I may end up just pushing my headband back a little. And of course, as you see, it should dry now. As you see, it's dry now. I'm going to wet it. So far, little to none shedding. Just about that, if y'all can see. Not that much shedding at all. Have you subscribed yet? I'm watching you. I'm watching you. You got this far. I'm watching you. So I'm gonna part it. I'm gonna wet only one side, and I'm not gonna wet the other, just so that we can see how it looks when it firstly comes out the box, and then how it looks when you add products or water to the hair. All right. So I'm gonna add just the water first, and then I'm gonna add the mousse. Okay. And this mousse is the Wig and Weave mousse, of course, from Shea Moisture. Not sponsored, but this mousse smells so good and it works so well. All right. with just the water, and this is what it looks like fresh out the box, okay? So just water, fresh out the box. Just water, fresh out the box, all right? Okay. And now I'm gonna...
I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna...
Water and mousse, straight out the box. I really like them, I really like them. So now I'm going to make straight out the box look like mousse and water. And we're gonna try these headbands on. Now again, I said that I bought my own. It came with about 20 from Amazon. There's a whole bunch, okay? Just a whole bunch. And they're so pretty and different. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can be notified when I release more content. Bye!
Salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings.